Having your T-Mobile SIM card constantly disconnect is frustrating. The main culprits are usually tray fit, contact issues, or network problems, often stemming from T-Mobile's 5G rollout. A loose SIM tray, especially in phones like the Samsung Galaxy S24 and iPhone 15, can cause intermittent disconnections. Dust, corrosion, or residue on the SIM card's gold contacts can also interrupt the signal. The switch to standalone 5G, while improving speeds, has also introduced some compatibility issues and network congestion, particularly in rural areas. In 2025, T-Mobile launched an AI diagnostic tool to remotely help with SIM issues. First, ensure your SIM card is properly seated in the tray. Make sure it's snug and not warped. If needed, consider getting a replacement tray from T-Mobile. If contacts are dirty, gently clean them with isopropyl alcohol and a soft cloth. Avoid scratching the gold surfaces. Verify your APN settings are correct for T-Mobile. The default is fast.tmobile.com. Also check for network updates in your phone settings. For persistent issues, especially in rural areas, try a T-Mobile hotspot with external antenna. Contact support if problems continue. Consider eSIM technology, which reduces mechanical faults.